to another new video. In today's video, we'll be exploring Daiso to find some affordable gems that we can be used for our sketching routines. So first up, a compressed towel. Got this in a pack of maybe 10 or so. No, I can no longer find it in Daiso at all, but you can also go, it's possible to get this from some camping places, beauty places. How do I use this? When you are using a water brush, you will have to clean the brush by squeezing out water from the brush. So this one offers a good way to suck up all the water and without you having to like generate a lot of paper waste. And you can actually just let it dry and can you reuse it again. Like just squeeze out. Can you see that it's actually taking up all that water? So once that's clean enough, and I can continue to paint. And if you do spill out anything, this is gonna be able to like suck up quite a lot of water. Melamine Sponge. You probably use it to clean your dirty dishes. Definitely find it in the kitchen. But do you know you can use it to clean stain from painting? It's like kind of a white foamy texture. So you could just cut off a small piece or you could just peel it off. So it says here, clean with water only. So what I use it for, I use it to clean like things that I couldn't remove. So for example, stains like these. So you just need a bit of water and then you could just scrub and it will come off like really easily. Plastic palettes get that stain so easily. Just have to give it a good scrub. And it's coming off. And the good thing is this one comes in such a big pack for just $2 and you could just cut it into any size that you want. So this is kind of a laundry board. This is made from silicone. And what I currently do with this is I use this to clean my brushes. So it really depends on you. Like some people may think that it's a little bit too rough for cleaning brushes, but you know, just remember when I clean brushes, I use like a cleaning soap that's made for brushes. I'll do a few swipes and then I would just kind of, you know, go through this a few times to kind of just clean off whatever's here. So it's really up to you. Some people think it might be too harsh, but if you are not using something too precious and you just want to get it really clean, you can actually use this one. This is a final product for cleaning, and this is actually an air blower. Okay, so this one, as you can see, comes as it says here, blower brush, right? So it comes with like a brush attachment, but I took it out. And what I do is I would like put this in water. I would just suck it all out. So I'll suck the water in here. So the whole bowl will be filled with water, and I use it to clean my fountain pens. And after taking that converter out, you will realize that a lot of ink do kind of stay especially inside here, right? And getting it to be totally clean is quite difficult. So what I'll do is I will actually this is a good size because it's kind of tapered, so it does like kind of fit into quite a lot of these like fountain pen. And I think this is a platinum, so it does fit quite well. And once you have this in and you kind of like squeeze out, and the water's gonna flush out the ink inside and preventing you from getting clogs and stuff. There are other bulbs that you can actually buy from many places. Like it's really just mostly red in color, so those are also equally good. The next few items are kind of geared towards like just packing and going out for sketching. And the first thing that I would like to introduce would be like things like this. So this is actually a portable drinking cup, and this is a water cup for your doggies. And for the cup, it's pretty cute. It's a telescopic thing, like conception. And what you need to do is just pull it to kind of like strengthen it, and you can pour water in here, you can drink, you can wash your brushes. And the fun thing is inside here, there's like kind of a little cup. I think it's really for people to like take their medicine. So they put their medication here. Yeah, all collapsible, easy to bring out when you go on for sketching. I found this in Daiso in Korea. It's not cheap. This is actually 5,000 won. So it's close to maybe $5-6 Singapore dollars, but it's actually a camping kit. So what it does, it holds all these camping tools. So these are the pins and stuff that you use to kind of pin down your tent when you go out for camping. But I find that it's pretty useful for going out to urban sketch, especially if you have like a lot of big brushes and long brushes. This is how it looks like. So if you open this up, this is where you can keep like the palettes, a super long one, so it does fit. You can actually slot in like a A6 sketchbook as well if you want to. Just look at this, like all this space for you to put your pencils, your pen, all the long brushes. Just note that this is actually tiny, quite small, so it does not fit the thick ones, like really thick jumbo pencil kind of stuff. You like to bring your masking fluid, but it does not fit here and do not want to keep it here, you can actually put it here and you can just hold it down. Yeah, so you can keep your thicker things like fatter stuff at the side. So you do have fatter stuff, you can actually put them here. And the fun thing or the good thing is that at the end of the day, like when you're done, you could just roll this, like you could just roll it, and then you can just bring it out this way. So yeah, it comes with a little like holder at the top, so you can just bring this out for sketching. But just note that this is kind of big, so you do need a big, like kind of a big bag to carry. And when just remember, when you're sketching, you probably need some space to lay this out flat so that you can access your stuff, you know. But I think if you are the kind who has tons of brushes to bring out, tons of pencil, you work with color pencil, a lot of pens, yeah, you can get this. This is quite a good one to get, and it comes in two colors. This is brown, and they even have like a green color one, which is pretty nice. We also have these things over here. So this is just a clip, but it has magnets behind. So if you're going out with a sketchbook and you have a palette that is metallic, or like this one, and you like to just hold it as you sketch, so you just need to flip it around, clip it down, and because this is magnetic, you could just kind of clip it to the top. Like this is a bit big, but there are some of the smaller ones. Yeah, it does not fall, like it just kind of holds your palette quite well. So this is something I think every sketcher should have, but provided you have a metallic palette. But this is kind of like basic for urban sketching. So yeah, that's, I think, probably all the stuff that I have for you that I got from Daiso. And also like I guess you can find, if there's no Daiso where you are, you can also go to like hardware stores, household stores, and see what they have, like, because they might have stuff that you actually need, especially if you go out urban sketching where there's nothing that's made especially for you. There you have it. The Daiso must-have for sketching enthusiasts. Which one is your favorite? So let me know in your comments. What other things have you found from Daiso that's really good, that's not obvious, you know, that is for drawing, for sketching? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these art tools and tips, okay? Happy sketching, everyone! And see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!